Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another beautiful unboxing from Fgnormal. That is www.fgnormal.com. Now let's talk about Fgnormal a little bit. You guys all know them by now. Their shipping is super fast, their products are amazing, and they've got fantastic customer service. They don't only sell our beloved cross stitch, they do, of course, our cross stitch, all the newest beaded cross stitch. They do diamond paintings and paint by numbers. They do customs, blind boxes, and there's scrapbooking, fire paint seal series, epoxy molds, wax seals, weaving series, and so much more. So this store is amazing, very easy to work with. So you must just go and have a look. They are fabulous. Now that's not all. If you want to save a little bit more at Fgnormal, you use my discount code, which is RELLA05 for extra 5% off. And if you spend over $50.62, you get free shipping. Now here's the nice part, guys. It's Christmas time. Okay, it's Christmas time, but just hold on. Hello, Lola. My co-host is here. My co-host. Alright, so it is Christmas time, and look on the screen. So, the Merry Christmas sale. I just want to see here. $50, yeah. Alright, so if you spend over £1, you get 20% off. Over £59, you get 23% off, and over £99 you get 26% off. Now that is big savings, because you can still use the discount code and you get more off. I just want to make sure that I've got everything here, all the sales. You guys know it is silly season. Family keeping us busy, right? So let's have a look what we're going to open first. Let's do the fairy. You can look it up. So while I open it, I'll chat to you a bit. December time, Mike's on leave, the kids are all around. I've got friends visiting, not for me, for the kids. So we've got a full house. And it's just very rowdy and loud, and everyone's happy, and you know, they're just running around going crazy. So it's a bit busy. So today you'll have unboxings, but no stitch along. There is just no time. It's already late. Alrighty then. So you've seen her. Let's have a look. I must keep this. My Ziploc bags are finished. I forgot to get. Oh man. Okay, so let's just get this first. Alright, we got our needle threader, 5 needles in a little test tube, and a thimble. I wish they will replace these thimbles with the silicone fingers. These hurt and we don't really use them. There you go. Amazing, right? So the pattern is on shiny film. That's my favorite. It's for durability. Let's see how many colors she have. Now I've got the full set of them. There's 3 I like. I've got all 3 now. So she's got 40 colors, 14 count, 50 by 45, and she is the pink one. The instructions is printed on your pattern. Your pattern is nicely put out here. I just want to see her. There's her hair, there's her jawbone. She looks amazing. 40 colors, and I adore her. She is 50 by 45 centimeters. Now, I told you guys she is 14 count, right? There you go. Very pretty. So there she is. There's her mouth. She's going to look so nice, guys. Right, so normally at this stage I say it's serge all the way around, but it's not. I think they forgot me. It's not serge all the way around. I'll serge my own, and I do have fray stop as well. So it depends on my mood, and whatever I do, I'll do that. So it's 14 count, 50 by 45 centimeters, and there's 40 colors. The printing is exquisite for 14 count. It looks fantastic. Let me see. Let me put my glasses on because, oh, so far so good. Must just take a close look at everything. There you go. You can clearly see what's what. You know, you guys know Wakan, they love the red symbols. I just wish they will change some of their red symbols. The red symbols is almost the whole thing. But at least on a 14 count you can see it. So great, I love this. Alright, so let's look at the pretties. So there's 40 colors. Ooh, it is pretty. Look. So I thought the colors will be lighter. Just hold on. Oh no, it's just a little bit light, and then all around her, basically in the back, everywhere it's dark. Look at all the pretty colors. Oh my Stitchy soul. Look at how that's the pink that her dress is. No hair. Oh, this is beautiful. So let me show you that. And floss drops. Lots and lots of variety of colors. Very pretty indeed. I really adore this. Amazing. I love it. Alright, while I pack away, I want to ask if it's the first time you're watching my videos, please consider it to subscribe. It is for free, and by doing that you motivate me to do more videos. Also, I do have a membership where you can join. It's a minimalistic fee per month, but that is not for free. It's a monthly contribution, and we've got big plans for that channel. You will see. It's gonna be amazing. Also, hit the like button if you like this video and leave me a comment. I will get back to you. Now look at that. You guys know how much I love peacocks, right? Well, yes, this is amazing. I can't wait. I hope she's got lots of colors. Alright, the little test tube, 5 needles, needle threader, and a thimble. There we go. And here's the pattern. Oh, she's so pretty, man. Okay, my favorite shiny film for durability. The instructions is printed on your pattern for your convenience if you need it. There's a beautiful picture there. She is 11 count. Oh, yes. All right, she's got 42 colors. She's gonna look fantastic. She's 49 by 49. You can see it's Yushi. 190 by 190 stitches. Beautiful. 42 colors. I'm happy. I'm happy. Let's have a look here. Alright, it's that bright white Ada. Like it a lot. And there we go. It is serged all the way around for our convenience. It's 11 count. 49 by 49 centimeters. 190 stitches by 190 stitches, and we do have 42 colors. She is a bit busy, but what do you expect? You want the peacock feathers to show, because that's the whole picture here actually. The beach and the peacock feather dress. Let me show you the print. Now this is 11 count, so it's much easier. Very pretty indeed. I really love it. Amazing, right? I think it's amazing. Very beautiful. Okay, so let's have a look at our floss. Guys, now I always say this never gets old. I'm always so excited to open the floss. It's like after all these years, it's like I see it for the first time every time. It's funny, right? Okay, so let's have a look here. Oh, look at these colors. Let's just spread them a bit. Purples and pinks and blues. Now this is gonna be fabulous. Okay, so let's do that. Look at that. Very pretty indeed. I adore it for one. Very nice. Really pretty. I really like it. Absolutely fantastic. Alright. So this is amazing. While I back away, I want to thank Fgnormal. You guys rock. This is beautiful products. Thank you very much. Then, people, remember, my Stitchy family, it is the Christmas sale. Over £1, 20% off, over £59. 23% off, or over £99, you get 26% off. Now you can make that 31 if you use my discount code. Now I want to thank you for always watching and supporting me. It means the world to me. Must have a fabulous weekend. Oh, it's not weekend. A fabulous day. It feels like weekend. Everyone's at home. Till next time, lots of love. Stitcha-Rella.